The West Indies women are off to a less than ideal start at the T20 World Cup in South Africa after a crushing 7-wicket defeat to 2009 champions England in their Group B opener in Paarl on Saturday.
The tournament started off in the perfect way for the Windies women by virtue of winning the toss, but also having the services of former captain Stefanie Taylor, who has not featured all year. Batting first, Captain Hayley Matthews and Taylor had the team off to a solid start as the Barbadian crunched 8 boundaries in the power play to take the 2016 champions to 47 without loss. Taylor looked a shadow of herself and was put out of her misery for 3 from 15 balls in the 7th over. Vice-captain Shemaine Campbell joined Matthews, but that partnership only valued 22 runs until the skipper was dislodged for a top score of 42 at 69 for 2. Shabika Gajnabi lasted only 3 deliveries and the Windies women slipped to 71 for 3. Campbell 34 and Jamaican Chanel Henry 14 resurrected the Windies to 112 for 3 in the 16th over with a few lusty blows. And there was promise of getting close to 150, but all of that dissipated with a flurry of wickets at the end. The Windies limping to 135 for 7 with Sophie claiming 3 for 23. England, who are one of the favourites for the title, were given a blistering start by Sophia Dunkley and Danny Wyatt. They raced to 37 within 4 overs before Wyatt departed to Henry for 11. 13 runs later, Henry, in the midst of the carnage, pulled off a stunner to remove Dunkley for 34.
Charge. And she's still going through. What's a catch? What an outstanding catch there from Chanel Henry.
When Afi Fletcher deceived Alice Capsey at 71 for 3, the door opened for a comeback for the Caribbean team, but that was slammed shut by Captain Heather Knight and did not siver. In a dominant 67-run 4th wicket partnership, the two displayed power and precision to finish the game off with 33 balls to spare. The emphatic nature of the win came at a run rate of 9.5 runs per over, the highest ever in a World T20 chase for the women's game, over 100 runs. The Windies take on India next Wednesday as they look to break a 13-game winless streak. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.